The overall goal of this protocol is to engineer three-dimensional collagen scaffolds that can resemble the architectural features, composition, and mechanical properties of in vivo tissue.
This method can help answer key questions in the tissue engineering field, such as ECM cell interactions, the influence of architectural features in the creation of engineered tissues, and the development of tissue replacements, among others. The main advantage of this technique is that it provides a viable procedure to recapitulate the microgeometry of interior flow channels and paths with high fidelity in a biodegradable material. Demonstrating the procedure will be Veronica Rodriguez-Rivera, a postdoctoral associate in my laboratory.
The materials used to prepare the BSA rubber must be stored and kept cold until they are ready to use, so that the BSA rubber does not prematurely set. Sterility is also very important to this procedure. First, sterilize the dispenser. In a non-cell culture hood, lay out the O-rings, the syringe, its cap, the mix tip, and the 4:1 dispenser. UV sterilize these materials for 30 minutes. First, screw the two stainless steel mold pieces together and attach the lure lock. Before assembling the dispenser, spray pipettes and reagents prior to introducing them to the hood with 70% ethanol. First, attach the tip cap to the solution holder. Next, load the 30